Welcome to session 10 of our class. This week, you will only be working on one assignment. This week's fully developed notes will require you to reflect on the quality again instead of the quantity of the notes you're taking. For each of the sources about brain-based instruction, Posey, Hammond, and there are two optional chapters that you can read if you'd like additional reading, if you're really interested in this. For each of those, you will be choosing three of the most important ideas that you can take away from each source. Therefore, you'll be listing three ideas from Posey, three from Hammond, and three from the set of optional brain-based chapters if you want to read those. You'll be listing these ideas or quotes which struck you as the most insightful or important from the sources. Following this list of 6 to 9 important ideas that you're taking in your notes, you can reflect on what this means to you about brain-based learning in the context of how to improve contemporary education. This assignment will lead to beginning some of your thoughts for the final culminating assignment where you're thinking about those three purposes that you find important in education and relevant. You may find some this week or last week or in the upcoming weeks that you think are really important as you are crafting your final culminating project. So take your notes, write your paragraph this week, and enjoy the rest of the week.